Hello lovely audience of Quick Guide, welcome to the another quick tutorial video. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you unarchive your chats into WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp app. Firstly, you have to open your WhatsApp application, and after opening the WhatsApp application, just simply open up chats and you can see this archive button into the top. You just simply have to select that. Step 2. Unarchive the chats. Now after coming to archive chat section, you just simply have to select the chat that you want to unarchive, and after selecting the chat, this button will appear into the top right side. You just simply have to click into that to unarchive the chat, and after doing that, your chat will be unarchived successfully. So this is all you have to do in order to unarchive your chat into your WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching this video.